Let's skip the spec sheet and talk about the three things that actually matter in daily use. First, the floor head. Shark calls it a DuoClean PowerFins system. This just means it has two rollers. Up front, there's a soft, fluffy roller that is amazing on hard floors. Instead of scattering crumbs or kitty litter, it grabs them and pulls them in. It also buffs fine dust off my hardwoods, making them look polished. Behind it is the main finned roller for carpets. On my medium pile rugs, this thing digs deep. The amount of fine grit it pulled out of carpets I thought were clean was genuinely embarrassing. Second, the anti-hair wrap. This was the feature I was sure was a gimmick. My old vacuum's roller looked like a wig after one pass. After 3 months of testing this against dog hair and my wife's long hair, I pulled the floor head apart to check. It was almost perfectly clean. It just works. This alone saves me 15 minutes of frustration every month. Third, the powered lift away. You can press a button and the main canister and motor lift off the vacuum's stick. This turns it into a powerful, portable canister vac. The key word is powered. The main floor head keeps spinning. This is a total game changer for cleaning under beds, coffee tables, and dressers. It's still heavy to carry, but it's brilliant for those hard-to-reach spots.